Okay, is this slide visible?
Yes, sir.
Slides are visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, what are we? Okay, one comment from your friend. You want time for writing? हाँ, सभी को चाहिए क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
मैंने ऐसे
Yes,
पढ़ाते
sir.
जा रहे तो बाद में आपको लिखने के लिए टाइम नहीं बोल रहे सभी लोग.
नहीं,
Is this
नहीं,
correct?
हाँ sir.
हाँ, फिर बोलना चाहिए था ना, जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है मैंने आपको डिक्टेट करते. ओके, विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, मैंने डिक्टेट करने के लिए बोलते, तो बाद में एक बार स्टडी करना. ओके ओके, अभी क्या है, हमारे पास टाइम बहुत कम है. हमारे पास भी, हाँ, आपके पास 24 आवर्स है, हमारे पास होता है नहीं. हमारे पास सिर्फ 5 आवर्स पर डे, बराबर. ओके ठीक है, ठीक. अभी क्या करेंगे, डिक्टेट करने का क्या, ये सारे स्लाइड्स डिक्टेट करने के लिए चाहिए क्या? दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट एक्चुअली. ओके, आपको इंपॉर्टेंट है, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन पे इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, क्या क्या लिखा है फिर अभी तक थर्ड यूनिट में, कुछ लिखा है क्या? नहीं,
No
आज
sir.
तक काहीच नाहीये. नो सर.
चालू है थर्ड यूनिट. नहीं नहीं, अभी थर्ड यूनिट का मतलब नहीं.
थर्ड युनिटचं काहीच नाही दिलेलं.
Yes, all of you, have you written something from the third unit?
No sir.
नो सर.
Okay.
नो सर.
तो डिक्टेशन करने का जरूरत है क्या? नहीं. Yes, see, actually I have to complete this entire chapter and next entire chapter है. इसके लिए बेटा मैंने पीपीटी देने वाला था, चलता क्या? नहीं
सर, बाद में आए से रहता सिर्फ
नहीं,
लिखना
नहीं लिखने के लिए नहीं लिखे तो भी ठीक है, बट एटलीस्ट स्टडी तो करने का. नहीं लिखे तो भी ठीक है, चलेगा.
सर, कंप्लीट चाहिए तो
कौन बोले?
कंप्लीट चाहिए तो
नहीं, बाद में देखेंगे ना, टाइम.
सेमेस्टर ही होगा तब.
ओके ओके, हाँ ना, ऐसे मत करो. जो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है मैंने देते हैं क्लास में, हाँ, विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई विल डिक्टेट यू. ओके, एंड बाकी जो है ऐसे स्टडी कर दो. ओके, हाँ हाँ, वैसे करेंगे. जो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है मैंने बोलते आपको, आप लोग लिखिए आपके नोटबुक में. हाँ, ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू, हैव यू रिटन दिस पॉइंट? हाँ, राइट डाउन थर्ड यूनिट, यूनिट नंबर 3. सो सेकंड यूनिट को छोड़ दो, थोड़ा पेजेस. ठीक है, ठीक. थर्ड यूनिट, अभी टाइम कम है ना, इसके लिए. ओके, यूनिट नंबर 3, कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. कंपोनेंट ऑफ बिल्डिंग. दूसरे क्लास में कोई नहीं दे रहे ना, डिक्टेशन कर रहे हैं, कोई डिक्टेशन नहीं. मैथ्स एंड किस ओके, ठीक है, बट दिस इज थ्योरेटिकल सब्जेक्ट है, एंड टू गिव डिक्टेशन ऑल द पॉइंट्स इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज टाइम कंस्टेंट बहुत है अभी टाइम. इसके लिए जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट है मैं बोलते हैं, बाद में आप स्टडी कर दो एक बार. ओके, हाँ. सो कंपोनेंट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, हैव यू रिटन? यस, ऑल ऑफ यू.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So first, common building components. So write them first. Building components. So write this flow chart. There is 2 parts. Okay. This is building components, and this will be 2 parts. Superstructure and substructure. Okay. सुपरस्ट्रक्चर एक पार्ट है, सबस्ट्रक्चर एक पार्ट है. Okay, next, first write down the definition for the substructure. Okay, all of you write down. See, this is for your sake only. Okay, all of you write down. I will check your notebook. Yes, इतना मदद करें मैं फिर आपको. हाँ, okay, substructure. Write down the definition. It is a part of a structure. It is part of the structure which is below the ground. which is below the ground level, which is below the ground level, that is foundation, that is foundation. Okay, next point, next point. It also includes, it also includes, नहीं ले किधर तो लिखना चाहिए ना दूसरा नोट में लास्ट पेज में. It also includes the portion below the ground, the portion below the ground floor, ground floor, ground floor level, the portion below the ground floor level, since height between the ground floor level, the ground floor level and ground level, and ground level. Okay, see, I have only 3 lectures in a week. Okay, so to dictate and to complete is very hard, it's very difficult. No, don't take it in me.
आप सिखाओ पर जब नोटबुक चेक करना है
हाँ,
अभी तक थोड़ा टाइम
ओके, हाँ ठीक है ऐसे करेंगे. बिकॉज मैंने अपलोड करते हैं पीपीटी, देख के आप आराम से लिखिए. ओके, इट इज नॉट दैट अब आज मैंने खत्म कर दिया कल ही सबमिट करो, ऐसे नहीं बोलते. आराम से टाइम देते, आराम से लिखो. ओके, क्योंकि अभी देखो कल से लेक्चर नहीं मेरा, नेक्स्ट अगेन मंडे ट्यूजडे वेडनेसडे 3 ही लेक्चर, नेक्स्ट अगेन नेक्स्ट मंडे. सो हार्डली आई हैव ओनली 2 वीक्स. अभी आज 9 हो गया, 10 to 20 25 15 डेज है, 2 वीक्स. 2 वीक्स में कितने लेक्चर्स मिलता मुझे? 6 lectures. I have to complete 2 entire chapters. बराबर है ना? So it's difficult. So थोड़ा ये करिए, हाँ? ना compromise. हाँ ठीक है. बाद में I will give time. No, it's very difficult. Is it okay, all of you? I will upload this PPT.
Yes,
You
sir,
can.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, आता शिकवा.
Okay, I will give all the points. Okay, I will explain first and I will give time for writing after the completion of your syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Because dictation करने के लिए time चल लगता है ना इसके लिए. Okay, you have seen substructure, you have seen superstructure and components. You draw this in your notebook. Okay, this is important. ये एक बार draw करने के बाद आपको समझ में आएगा what are the different components, from where to where the superstructure and where to where the substructure, and what are the inside components and what are the outside components. Okay, from this diagram you can come to. Then you have studied foundation, functions, plinth. You have studied where will be the plinth, from the external ground level to the internal floor level. Okay, that is called as plinth level. This is the plinth level. Then in the component of substructure there is a DPC also. Okay, then in the superstructure first one is wall, you have seen. Then in the wall again there are 2 types, correct? One is load bearing wall, another one is non-load bearing walls. Non-load bearing walls are also called as framed structures. Okay, good. Then you have studied columns. Okay, these columns are having length and different size and shapes. So what are the shapes of the columns? Rectangular, circular, and
Square, circular.
okay. So what these columns will do? They will give lateral stability to the wall. Okay, lateral stability मतलब क्या है? अभी देखो इधर एक वॉल है, इधर एक वॉल है. ओके, ये इधर एक वॉल है. ये दोनों के बीच में जो स्टेबिलिटी चाहना है ना, इधर क्या है? ये दोनों के बीच में कॉलम है. ओके, दिस इज कॉलम. व्हाट इट दिस कॉलम विल डू? ओके, इधर एक कॉलम है. दिस इज गिविंग lateral stability. Okay, lateral stability to this entire wall and supports the beams, slabs, and transfer the load to the foundation. And doors you have seen. Okay, for the movement from the one room to another room, horizontal movement. Okay, it is not vertical movement. Okay, this is horizontal movement is door is used. For the vertical movement, which one is used? Staircase or lift is used. Then you have seen doors. This much is completed, correct? Okay. So now we will move on to the window. Okay, what is window and what is the function for the window? Okay, so windows are, these are the openings built in the wall. Where the windows are built, they are present in the external periphery of the wall, not internal wall. So this wall is internal wall. Whether this wall is having internal window? No. In your room also, okay, there are internal walls and external walls. So windows are present only at the external wall. They are built in considering the window direction and exterior view. Okay, these are built to view the external view. Then what is the function? To provide the light, air, ventilation, privacy and security to the occupants. Okay, the people who are staying inside the hall or inside the room, they should get comfortable light, comfortable air, ventilation, privacy and security. For that function, windows are provided. Then what are the materials that are used for the windows? Wood material, plastic materials, steel materials and glass materials. This is which type of material? There is a frame is aluminum frame and inside panel is, there is glass panel. Okay, there is steel, plastic, that wood, there will be wooden. You have seen in your house and all, there will be wooden frame रहता ना. Okay, that is made up of glasses panels. Okay, plastic का भी रहते, then steel का भी रहते. Then types of windows: paneled window, glazed window and again there are different types, plastic window and all. Okay, so paneled and glazed. See here, types of window. This is called as paneled window. Okay, so this is called as paneled window. Panel. So how many panels are there? This is one panel, this is one panel, this is one, this is four paneled window, this is four panel. Okay, four panel window. See, this is the roof, correct? Entire the roof window is provided in the roof. This is called as dormer window. I will write here. This is called as dormer window. Okay, this is dormer window. The window which is given at the roof level is called as dormer window. Okay, so this is a possibility to ask in the MCQ question. Then yes, window sill. मैंने बोला था window sill. Whenever you construct a door or window, before before the construction of the window or door or establishment of the door or window, there is some hard portion is provided at the beneath the door or beneath the window. That hard portion is called as sill level. See, this is concrete material. Okay, this entire material is called as sill. This is called as sill. Window sill bolte. It provides provided below the windows. Window. What is the function of this sill? To provide the uniform surface and support to the window. See, before construction of this one, what is this one? This is masonry, correct? Which type of masonry? It is brick masonry. Okay, so when these bricks are there, whether the surface of the brick is it smooth or rough? Rough रहता है ना? So there will not be any uniformity. So in order to get the uniformity, the concrete is laid. This concrete laid after erection of the concrete, the surface is smooth, it is leveled. Now you can establish your window at a level. And to protect the top of the wall from the wear and tear, इसके ऊपर इधर विंडो है ना, विंडो के ऊपर again there is a wall है. So in order to protect that wall, we are taking this window. Okay, that is sill. Then material is made up of, this sill is made up of which type? That is stone slab, that is cement concrete. Maximum we are using cement concrete. Sometimes where the concrete is not available or they are not using, at the time they will take stone. Okay, एक stone panel. Okay, इसके से थोड़ा बड़ा रहता है. So they will place stone panel and over that the window panel is placed. Okay, that stone will act as a sill to the window. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one. Yes. This is lintel. Okay. What is this one? What is this one? Wall. Which type of wall? Brick. Okay. So it is called as brick masonry. Okay. Brick wall को brick masonry बोलते. So this is what is this one? Entire opening door. So below this door. Okay. What is there? Below this one. There is a sill. Sill will be there or plinth will be there. Okay. So this is door. Door के ऊपर क्या है इधर? This is called as lintel. These are provided over the doors and windows. Why it is provided? What is the function? Okay, see here. ये डोर ब्रिक मशीनरी है ना, इधर ही स्टॉप होता है क्या और टिल योर स्लैब तक रहता है, टिल योर स्लैब तक रहता है. ओके, इधर क्या है, ब्रिक मशीनरी रहता है ना, उसके वेट एक विंडो के ऊपर और डोर के ऊपर आते हैं ना. सो इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड दैट लोड टू द विंडो द लिंटल इज प्रोवाइडेड. ओके, ऐसे व्यू रहते देखो. सो दिस इज योर डोर. ओके, देन योर लिंटल विल बी, दिस इज योर लिंटल. लिंटल के ऊपर क्या रहता, दिस इज वॉल रहता ना, वॉल का लोड विल कम ऑन द लिंटल. दैट लोड इज ट्रांसफर्ड टू द adjacent वॉल पैनल, नॉट ऑन द डोर और विंडो. विंडो के ऊपर नहीं आने का, डोर के ऊपर नहीं आने का लोड. इसके लिए दिस लिंटल इज प्रोवाइडेड. लिंटल इज प्रोवाइडेड. सी द फंक्शन, इट सपोर्ट्स द लोड एंड वॉल अबोव द ओपनिंग. दिस इज ओपनिंग, इसके ऊपर है इतना है. Okay, it supports the load and wall above the opening since the frame of the door or window is not strong enough to take the load. Okay, this is door है, इसके ऊपर ज्यादा लोड डाले तो दिस डोर पैनल सस्टेन होता क्या, नहीं. इसके लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं, लिंटल प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. लिंटल प्रोवाइड किया तो क्या होता है, द लोड इज ट्रांसफर्ड. सो दिस इज नॉट सब्जेक्टेड टू एनी लोड. Then the material which is made up of steel, lintel is timber material or it is RCC. Timber means just in the your house whatever you have seen. Okay, अभी देखो उसके ऊपर शीट है, देखो शीट के ऊपर में. ओके, उसमें लोग यूज करते हैं. देखो ओके, डोर का फ्रेम रहता है, डोर का फ्रेम डायरेक्टली टिम्बर का रहता है. टिम्बर मतलब वुडन का रहता है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड. हाँ, then one, whether shed or chajja. Yes, this is a, see this is your wall, correct, all of you. What is there here, wall के ऊपर क्या है, wall में there is a window. Okay, this is window or door. Okay, इसके ऊपर क्या रहता है, there will be lintel. Okay, lintel के projection, outside projection of the lintel is called as chajja. This is called as chajja. See, इसको चज्जा भी बोलते हैं और it is called as weather shade. These are the projections over the doors and windows. See, when you take the cross section, this is window or door. Window और door के ऊपर क्या है इधर, this is lintel. So बाहर क्या है, projection आ गए ना. So this is called as chajja. What is the function of this chajja? The whenever rain occurs, okay, जो wall के ऊपर पानी आते ना, this water should not enter into your window or door. Okay, that will come here and it will fall down here only. Okay, it should not enter into your room. For that purpose it is provided. It is made up of RCC. Is it clear? चज्जा मतलब क्या है, it is the projection over the doors and windows. Function क्या है, protection against sun, rain, frost and etc. Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
frost is nothing but हवा में जो ये रहता ना, हाँ तूफान नहीं, हवा में मिस्ट रहता है, देखो पानी. ओके, पानी ऐसे थोड़ा आते हैं बारिश के टाइम के पहले. ओके, वो आते वॉल के ऊपर लगाने के बाद ऐसे फ्लो होते हैं वो भी. इट इज काइंड ऑफ मंच बोलते हैं ना. तो बारिश मतलब वो droplets of the water is very large. Frost means the droplets is very less. Like वैसे रहते. That is called frost. Then next one is floor. Okay. So what is this floor matlab? It is a part of the building over which occupants live or move. अभी देखो, you are walking or you are standing. Where you are standing? It is on the floor. Okay. So इसके बीच में below this floor there is a one more story. वो स्टोरी को ये क्या हो गया, रूफ हो गया. बट आप लोग जो बैठ रहे हैं ना, आपको क्या हो गया, ये दिस इज फ्लोर. देन दिस विल बी रूफ फॉर यू, बट देयर आर पीपल हु आर सिटिंग ओवर दिस रूफ, फॉर देम दैट विल बी फ्लोर. इट मींस व्हाट इज a floor? It is a part of the building over which occupants live or move. Okay. Then floor immediately above the ground is called as ground floor. Okay, you have seen this is a diagram. Okay, this is a diagram. So below this one, think that this is a foundation. Okay, the people who are walking here, the people are walking here. Okay, they are walking. This is floor ho gaya na? This is ground floor story, ground story. This is floor for the ground floor people. This is roof for the ground story people. Clear? For the immediately above the ground is called as ground floor, and others are other floors are this floor are called as first floor, second floor, third floor, and so on. Okay. So if there is a 100-story building, all of you listen to me carefully, listen to me. This is only one story. Okay, how many floors are there? Only one story. How many floors are there? One. If there are 100-story, how many floors are there? 100 floors. Okay. And how many roofs are there? मैं नहीं बोल रहा वही. How many roofs will be there? Only one roof. जो ऊपर का लास्ट रहता है ना, that is treated as roof. उसके पहले जो है ना, all are floor. All are floor. See, I will draw the diagram. आपको अभी थोड़ा explain करते. Tell me, how many stories are there here? Okay, how many stories are there?
4.
4 stories. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. In these stories, last one is called as what? Roof. Correct? So this is called as first floor. This is floor. Okay, this is that is roof ko. Okay, this is first. When you enter into the story, this is nothing but first floor. This is second floor. This is third floor. This is fourth floor. Okay. Last one is called as roof. A floor के नीचे, that is ceiling. Ceiling. So this is called as ceiling inside. Outside is called as roof. Okay. See again, what is the function of this one? You have seen this one. You have seen this one. Okay. Function of this one: divide the building at different levels, provides more accommodation in limited space. Okay. So what this floor will do? It will give different levels and provides more accommodation in the limited spaces. Types of materials. Types and materials: Muram, Shahabad, granite, marble, tandoor, tiled, mosaic floors. So these all are the different types of materials which are used for the flooring. So this is which type of it is? It is granite. Okay, in your house you have seen kadapa. Okay, tiles. Okay, that will be tandoor. Okay, tandoor tiles hai, kadapa tiles hai. Okay, marbles hai, granite hai, muram, that is purely earthen material, clay material. Mosaic floor bhi hai. Mosaic floor में tiles दे pure shining रहता है देखो. Okay, so that is called as mosaic floors. See types of floors. Okay, this is wooden type. This is tiles, ceramic tiles. Okay, next one is beams. What is beam? These are the horizontal structural members of a building. Okay, अभी तक देखे हमने. So column देखे, wall देखे थे, window, doors. These all are the vertical components. Now beams are whatever these beams are there. These are the horizontal members. Horizontal members of the building. What is the function of this building beam? To support the floors and transfer their loads to the columns. Okay. See, this is a slab. Okay, this is a slab. Correct? Slab is load is transferred to the beams, adjacent beams. Correct? See here. This is a panel. Okay, this is slab. This arrow mark are nothing but the load is transferred to the this beam, and this beam. Correct? It means the slab load, or you can also call it floor load. Floor load is transferred to the beams and beams to the columns. Okay. It supports the floors and transfer their loads to the columns. Then this material is the materials which are used for the beams: timber material, steel material, and RCC material. So this is which type of material? It is RCC. Okay, it is RCC. इसके अंदर क्या है? Steel है. Okay. This is which type of material it is? This is wood or timber. Yes, wood or timber. Okay, bamboo बोलते हैं ना. So wood or timber. Then there will be some material, okay, which is made up of purely steel material. In the steel structure, you go and see there will be steel beams. आपका पार्किंग लॉट है ना इधर पॉलिटेक्निक के पास, उधर देखो, इतना ही इधर एंट्रेंस के पास पार्किंग, उधर देखो, वो रूफ के बीच में स्टील का रहता, स्टील बीम्स. Types: simply supported, fixed, and cantilever. In your mechanics you have studied different types of beams. Simply supported beam matlab both side it is simply supported. Cantilever means one side is fixed, another side is free. Fixed is fixed, both sides are fixed. Okay, these are the types of beams. Then next one is slab. What is slab? Slab is these are horizontal surfaces supported on beams and columns. Correct? Okay. So whenever you have seen this is a column, this is a beam, इसके ऊपर क्या है? Slab है. Slab is supported. It is supported by beams and columns. Okay? These are horizontal surfaces supported on beams and columns. So function of this: provide space for occupant to live and distribute the load of the floors uniformly to its columns. It acts as a floor for multi-story building. Yes, whatever you are seeing here, this is a slab. This is also a slab. So for us, we are treating it as a floor. This is also floor for the people who are living over there. And when it is called as roof, it is called as a roof when it is last one. The people should not live there. Okay. The below the roof, all the slabs are called as floors. Okay. The material made up of slab is RCC. Correct? All of you? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes. हाँ, ऐसे भी और एक फंक्शन भी बोल सकते हैं. So slab is the topmost part of the building. See, इधर एक ही स्टोरी है. So top is topmost part of the building. So इसका फंक्शन ये स्लैब भी बोल सकते हैं, नहीं तो रूफ भी बोल सकते हैं. रूफ, बेटर वर्ड इज रूफ. ओके, क्योंकि इसके पहले हमने लिया था दैट इज स्लैब. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? रूफ भी बोल सकते हैं. रूफ इज द टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. फंक्शन क्या है? इट प्रोटेक्ट्स अगेंस्ट सनराइज, अगेंस्ट विंडो, अगेंस्ट रेन, अगेंस्ट स्नो. ओके, स्नो मीन्स बर्फ. ओके, that is, so this is called as your roof. It is made up of, it is slab only, that is concrete material. Materials: country tiles. Yes, different tiles, roofs are there. Country tiles, you might have seen in the earlier, before the RCC building, there were roofs are made up of tiles. Correct? Mangalore tiles, have you seen Mangalore tiles? Where it is manufactured? there is a place in Karnataka, Mangalore बोल के, हाँ, Mangalore बोल के. So in that place the tiles are manufactured. Okay, from that place to it is circulated to all over the India. Okay, that is called as Mangalore tiles भी बोल सकते हैं, नहीं तो country tiles भी बोल सकते हैं. You see here Mangalore tiles and asbestos sheet का भी रहते, next iron sheet भी रहते, then RCC भी रहते. Then types, what are the different types? There is a flat type, there is a pitched type, there is a sloping or curved. It means the slab which is there in the circular shape, it is called as curved slab or curved roof. There is flat means the shape of the roof is, it is like this, square or rectangular. Abhi this is, it's a type, is flat hai. So again there is a pitched and sloping means आपका रूफ ऐसे रहते, देखो स्लोपिंग रहते, ओके, आपका रूफ स्लोपिंग ऐसे रहते. Then pitched means one tiles is like this and another one is like this, another one. Have you seen like this? Okay, this is called as pitched one. Okay, so pitched roof, sloped roof, curved roof and flat roof. These all are the different types of roof. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, roof, it is the topmost part of the building. It products same thing he has taken. Okay, so here A definition इधर repeat हो गया, इधर A definition इधर repeat हो गए. Then yes, am I audible, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is parapet wall. Okay, I told parapet is the आपका slab के ऊपर जो भी external periphery बना. See, look at the figure, all of you first. So this is building. Okay, एक story का building है. इसके ऊपर slab के ऊपर there is wall constructed. Is it visible, all of you?
Yes,
So,
sir.
so this is called as, this is a parapet wall. It is made up of brick masonry only. Okay, height is 1 meter. See, it is a short wall constructed on the top of the slab roof. Top of the slab roof. The thickness is 10 centimeter thick रहते हैं, 10 to 15 centimeter, 4 inches से 6 inch. Okay. Then height of this is 1 meter to 1.2 meter. This definition, this dimension is important for the exam. So thickness of the parapet wall. How much it is? 10 to 15 centimeter. Height of the parapet wall, it is 1.0 to 1.2 meter. अभी आपको समझ में आ गया ना what is parapet wall?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, by looking at this figure, okay, इधर जो है ना ये portion, what is this portion? Can you tell me? Yes,
Plinth.
plinth. Very good, plinth. So what is this portion? Column.
Column.
What is this one?
Roof.
Roof.
Roof. Okay. Next, slab. Okay. Next, one more term. I have not told. Chajja. Okay. Huh. You can call it as a balcony. Okay. So the people can come here and walk. Okay. But there will not be any parapet over the balcony. Okay. There will be railing and all. Okay. And this is window. See, what is this portion? Lintel. Yes, good. What is
Lintel.
this portion? Sill. What is this one? Entire window. Okay.
Window.
So what is this one? This is roof. Okay. See, this is a slab end हो गया इधर से इधर क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन कर दिया? Parapet wall. What is the function? Yes, this is important. Function for the parapet wall. Okay, it is asked. It is for the purpose of safety only, not any other thing. Okay, whenever you are walking here, you should not get down. Okay, इसके लिए कंस्ट्रक्शन कर दिया. Okay, so then next one is steps or stair. are the meant to provide the access between the levels. अभी देखो एक फ्लोर लेवल है ग्राउंड स्टोरी और एक स्टोरी फर्स्ट स्टोरी, ये दोनों के बीच में हाउ टू गो फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट स्टोरी टू सेकंड स्टोरी through the steps, through the staircase. Okay, this will be used as a accessible from the different levels. Staircase should be properly located to provide easy access and fast service to the building. Okay, what this will do, it will do easy access and fast service to the building. Stairs consist of number of steps provided for the movement between the floors. See, staircase means entire this assembly is called as staircase. So here this is called as riser and this is called as treads. एक स्टेप्स है, देखो इधर में डायग्राम में एक स्टेप, इज इट करेक्ट? स्टेप्स. ओके, दिस पोर्शन को क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज राइजर. Okay, this horizontal portion में रहता ना, this horizontal portion को क्या बोलते हैं? This is tread. TREAD, tread. Horizontal portion where you can place your palm leg. Okay, that is called as tread. The distance between the two treads is called as riser. Okay. Then material used for the staircase, there will be stones, there will be wooden, there will be RCC. Then types of staircase, there will be straight staircase, there will be circular staircase, there will be spiral staircase, there will be dog legged staircase. Okay, so whenever this is a staircase is going like this, so after some time it is bifurcating like this. Okay, it is called as dog legged staircase. Oh, no, it is a open straight staircase. You have seen like this, ऐसे जाते और ऐसे जाते और ऐसे जाते देखो. Okay, that is called as dog legged staircase. Okay, so you have seen all the components from the substructure and from the superstructure. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will recall all the components. First one, what are the components in the substructure? Foundation level, foundation, ओके लेवल किया था. देन उसके ऊपर फुटिंग है, फुटिंग के ऊपर प्लिंथ. ओके, प्लिंथ है. देन प्लिंथ के ऊपर टाइल्स की बिफोर टाइल्स देयर इज ए डीपीसी. करेक्ट? डीपीसी अप टू डीपीसी इट इज कॉल्ड एज substructure. Okay, after the substructure what are there? Floor first is floor, then or wall next wall से column. Okay, column next, don't go beam. Okay, wall को आ गया, wall से next क्या है? window. विंडो के ऊपर लेवल डोर के ऊपर लिंटल. हाँ, सिल. विंडो के बिलो क्या है? सिल नेक्स्ट लिंटल के नेक्स्ट आउटर प्रोजेक्शन क्या है? छज्जा. ओके, नेक्स्ट उसके ऊपर नेक्स्ट दैट इज बीम्स. देन दैट इज कॉलम्स तो बोले. देन देयर इज ए स्लैब, देन देयर इज ए रूफ. करेक्ट? yes, very good. Parapet wall, last one. Have you studied all these things? याद रहते? अभी देखो आज से क्या करने का, आपको घर पे जा रहे थे ना, ऊपर से नीचे नीचे से ऊपर, so you can tell okay to your family members, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? This is called as wall, this is column, this is sill, this is window. घर वालों को बोलने का, so that you will become perfect. No? Yes?
Yes, sir.
आज से बोलते ना सब लोग. घर वालों को पता नहीं रहता विंडो क्यों रहते, क्यों प्रोवाइड करते. okay, what is the function of the door, what is the function of the beam, what is the function of the slab, what is the function of the sill, what is the function of the chajja. Okay, you should tell. Then types of the superstructure. अभी superstructure में again there will be types. Components नहीं, components you have seen. Then types, one is load bearing wall structure, another one is framed structure, and one more is composite structure. I have told load bearing wall structure means the structure which is made up of only walls and slab. There is no beams and columns. Okay, then सेम स्ट्रक्चर में क्या कह रहे थे, columns, beams, there will be a wall, but wall is not carrying any load, then composite structure means there is a wall, there is a column, there is a slab, there is a beam. Part of the beam is part of the load is transferred to the columns, part of the load is transferred to the walls also. Okay, we will study all this, and it will be made up of different materials. Okay, what is load bearing structure? In this case, loads of the roofs and floors are taken by the walls. Yes, load bearing में कहाँ पर रहते, slab का and roof का load, it will come on to directly on the walls. Loads of the roofs and floors are taken by the walls, and they finally transferred to the same to the foundation below. These walls are known as load bearing walls, and the structure is therefore known as load bearing structure. Clear everyone? All of you, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See example, figure. So what he has given, there is a slab, correct? This is called, see, always the concrete is denoted like this. Okay, there will be dots, that is sand particle. Okay, this is nothing but, this is aggregates. Aggregate matlab khadi. Okay, so these all are the aggregates. What is dot means sand. Okay, this is a slab. Okay, this is wall. This slab is resting on wall, correct na? This wall is carried slab load, and loaded, this wall is directly resting on the foundation, footing to the, this is PCC. Okay, plain cement concrete bed to the, कहाँ जाता है इधर से ground, soil. Okay, so this is your load bearing structure. Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Then in the frame structure, so in the frame structure, to meet the growing demand of the mass housing due to the population explosion, the shortage of land and high cost of land, multi-story buildings are generally constructed. Okay, so think that, as you know, population is growing, okay, very rapidly, and the land is fixed one. Okay, more people have to occupy the limited places. So if you construct only one-story building, then you want maximum number of space. Okay, so nowadays the horizontal growth is stopped. Okay, the only thing is vertical growth is started. Means you are constructing 1 story to 3 story, 4 story, 10 story, 20 story. Okay, so that is vertical. These structures are built as load-bearing wall structure. The walls are large thickness will have to be provided. Hence, it becomes costly. Okay, when you construct a maximum number of floors, if you take the walls only, they have to carry the loads. All अभी देखो 10 story है, 10 story load का load only wall carry करना है तो is it sustainable? No. अभी देखो मेरा capacity 100 kg है. Okay, मेरा if there are 10 people are standing, वो 10 people का load I cannot take. No. Okay, it means one thing is the cross section should be increased. वॉल का क्रॉस सेक्शन इंक्रीज करने का, बट दैट इज नॉट इकोनॉमिकल. इसके लिए क्या करने का, इट बिकम्स कॉस्टली, इट इज नॉट इकोनॉमिकल. द स्पेस इज वेरी वैल्यूएबल कमोडिटी and it must be utilized carefully. So for this purpose, nowadays the trend is moving to the framed structure. Okay, the load is carried or taken by the floors and it is transferred to the beams. Instead of going to the walls, that is transferred to the beams. The beams are connected to the columns. Hence, load is transferred to the columns and from the beams. Finally, load is transferred from the columns to the footings, foundation footings. समझ में आ रहे हैं सभी को? Frame
Yes.
structure में beams and columns रहते हैं. Okay, as the stories are more stories are there, then it is difficult to increase the thickness of the wall. Hence, we are placing beams and columns. Slab ka load will come to the beam. Beam ka load will come to the column. Column ka load will go to the foundation. Then where wall load will go? Wall hai na? Yes, all of you. Can you tell me? I told slab ka load will go to the beam. Beam say column, column to foundation. Then there will be wall. Okay, where how that is? Yes, very good. Wall के नीचे क्या आ रहे थे? Beam. Correct, everyone? So
Yes.
the load of the wall is transferred to the beam. Okay, so beam to column. Yes. See, this is framed structure. See, there is a slab. Okay, this portion is slab. There is a roof beam. Whatever it is there, this is called as beam. Okay, beam. So slab is resting on where? It is beam. Then beam is resting on columns. Columns. See, this is a beam. Slab is coming resting on beam. Beam is resting on column. Okay. Again, column is going to the footing. Okay. This column is coming down. It is going to the footing. अभी इधर देखो. This is a floor. Okay, floor slab है. This floor is connected to the beam and column. Okay, column से again footing. So this is footing, and it is bed for the footing. This is framed structure. Is it clear? Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is important. Comparison between the load bearing structure and framed structure. FS means what? FS means framed structure. LBS means load bearing structure. Okay. What is the difference? The difference is subsoil condition. Okay. Subsoil condition. It is adopted only in the hard strata is available and shallow depth. Okay, this is ground level. Okay, ground level के बीच में जो soil है ना, this soil should be hard रहने का, and the hard soil is available at the shallow depth. Depth should be very shallow. This frame structure is adopted when the soil is soft. If the soil is soft है, then if the such as sandy or BC soil. Okay. Okay, this is important. Will you write this one, this point? सब लोग मैंने डिक्टेट करते और एक्सप्लेन करने का. ओके ठीक है, मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दे, बाद में आप स्टडी करें और बाद में. सो फर्स्ट कैसे रहने का सब सॉइल कंडीशन. फ्रेम स्ट्रक्चर में कैसे रहते? सॉफ्ट रहते. लोड बेरिंग स्ट्रक्चर में कैसे रहते? इट इज हार्ड. देन हाइट. Height in case of load bearing structure maximum is 4 story can be constructed, and in case of frame structure multi-story can be constructed. Okay, referred, and no restriction for the floors frame structure. Then correct area, carpet area due to the thickness of the wall less carpet area is available. Then due to the thinner walls or more carpet area is available. Okay, what is carpet area? I will explain. Do you know carpet area? Yes. See, this is okay. Okay, so whatever this is wall. Okay, carpet area means the area on which the carpet is placed. You can place carpet here. Okay, whatever carpet is there na aapke paas, you can place the carpet. Means so will you place carpet only inside or out? कहाँ पर place कर सकते? Inside only ना, out you cannot place the carpet. So the area inside the wall, is called as carpet area. So this is the carpet area. From inside to inside, it is carpet area. This is carpet area. So in case of load bearing structure, the width of the wall is large. Okay. In case of framed structure, the width is very small. Hence, carpet area is available more for frame structure or load bearing structure. Framed structure. Correct na? All of you? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then carpet structure area is less for the load bearing structure. Carpet area is less for the load bearing and more for the frame structure. Then economy point of view, cheaper up to 2-story buildings. It is cheap only up to 2-story building, that is load bearing structure. Then it is too economical for multi-story building. If you go for the more than 2-story building, so it is better to go with multi-story framed structure. Then flexibility in planning. Positions of walls cannot be changed. Position of walls can be changed and achieved flexibility in planning. See, एक बार load bearing structure construction करने के बाद, can you change the wall? No, because over the wall, what is placed? Slab is placed directly. So if you want to change the alteration करना है, so you cannot change in case of load bearing structure. In case of frame structure, okay, you can change like anything. This is frame structure. If you want one more wall inside, you can construct because it is independent of the slab. इसके ऊपर कुछ भी लोड नहीं आ रहे थे. So it is flexible in case of more flexible in case of frame structure, and it is not possible in case of load bearing structure. Then resistance to vibrations, vulnerable vibrations due to the earthquake and can be resisted force due to the earthquakes. Yes, whenever there is a earthquakes, matlab bhukamp, okay, the vibrations will come. That when those waves will come, that will affect to the building. Load bearing structure, that will vibrate a lot. But when you come for the RCC structure, that will vibrate and that will be very less. That will be very less because the structure is, these can resist the force due to the earthquake. Okay. Whenever there is a 100-story building, okay, 100-story building, usme there are advanced technology is used, dampers are used, okay, and bracings are used. So that dampers and bracings will absorb the earthquake forces. Hence, your building will not subjected to vibrations. Okay, these are the difference between the load bearing structure and RCC structure. Okay, two more components. Say lifespan. Where the lifespan is more, frame structure, greater lifespan is there in the frame structure and lesser lifespan is there in load bearing structure as compared to the frame structure. Then future expansion and change. It is difficult to change after few years. Okay, but expansion or changes can be made easily with time to time in case of frame structure. Okay, these are the differences between the load bearing structure and RCC frame structure. Okay, so what is composite structure? We will study in the next class. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so remaining things we will study in the next lecture. Okay, just Jaldi? Present. Okay, I will take present. Yes, I will take the attendance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Roll number 6. Yes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Roll number 12. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. 21. 21. 25. 25. 26. 27. 28. 31. 32. 33. 34. 34. 36. 37. 38. 37. 38. Mahesh, present hai na?
Present, sir.
Okay. 39, 40, 40, 41. 41. 42. 42. 43 present. 44. 44. 45, 46, 47. 48. 53. 58, 59, 63. Okay, absent numbers 12, 19, 25, 26, 27, 28, 31, 34, 37, 44, 41, 48, 53, 58, 59, 63. Okay, so these are the absent numbers. Okay, so we'll stop now. We'll continue in the next lecture. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Thank you all.